Capture cards are still kind of hard to find, and if you can find them, they're pretty expensive. So on this video, we're gonna see if a relatively obscure, inexpensive USB capture card can actually be used for live streaming and do the job of some of these big ones.
Waiting for perfection never got anything done. You just have to start.
3, 2. If you're like a lot of us, we've been scrambling to try to find capture cards to do our live streaming at our churches, at our events, or anything that we basically need to live stream. And these things, like I said, are getting really expensive if you can even find them. So I found a obscure, never heard of it before capture card, cost about $75, and I just want to see if it's going to work. So let's go out to the studio and see if we can make this thing work. But first, if you want to leverage media, amplify the gospel, and change lives, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell so that you don't miss a thing.
Okay, first off, I want to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. When I talk about an HDMI capture device, I'm talking about something that would allow you to take the HDMI signal coming from your video camera and get it into a form that the computer can understand. So you can just take the high quality video, HD or 4K video, and bring it directly into your computer, and that's what you're going to be using to live stream or record or what have you. Now there's a lot of them out there. One of my favorites is the HD60 Pro from Elgato. It's an actual card that I put in the back of my PC, and I get great quality video from it. It's what I use to do the Church Media Guys show. There's a bunch of small ones too that are out there. One of the most popular ones is from Elgato. It's called the Camlink, and it's usually about $140 to get it, and right now it's going, I've seen it for $300 and $400 if you can find one. Now there's also a slew of generic ones out there. I picked one up for about $75. It's from a company called WiiStar, WII Star, WiiStar. It's a registered trademark, so they must be big.
Pardon me if I laugh.
But the question is it good? I mean, I paid $75 for it. I've never heard of WiiStar. I mean, it feels solid. It's got a USB-C connector on it, which will allow me to plug it into either a USB-C or a USB 3 port on my laptop. It's got an audio jack, so I can get external audio coming in if I need to, bring it in from, say, a mixer or something like that. That's nice. And it's got an HDMI in and an out. So the in would be coming from my camera, and the out would be going to, say, an external monitor. I've never used it before. I've never plugged it in. I just opened the box. It comes with a CD-ROM with the installation and application software. Hopefully it's going to be plug and play. I'm not sure. It comes with a little manual. Comes with, this is nice, a USB-C cable, and it comes with an adapter. Typically on your USB-C cables, you're going to have your USB 3 connector on this end, you're going to have USB-C connector on this end. They sent one and an adapter, which is nice. That's just nice to have in your kit if you need it. And it also comes with an HDMI cable. That's what's come in the package. So let's open up OBS and see if it shows up. The instructions actually say that no driver install is needed. So, is it? See, I'm not seeing it listed here. Not at all. Okay, so I'm going to try using the standard USB 3 port. So we will use the USB-C on this end. Is that in all the way? I'm going to assume it is. And then I'll just do USB 3 right there. There we go, setting up device. Okay, so this little adapter wasn't working. Okay, so it's recognized it and it said it's ready. So let's go create a new scene real quick. I'm going to call it WiiStar. And let's go add a source video capture device. I'm going to call it Wii-Star. And then we're going to choose it, and there it is, FHD capture. And there's our image. Look at that. See? That is working. And we're set. We got an image. So I can now start to live stream it. So it's plug and play. It's working. I'm not seeing any kind of frame drops or anything like that. Is it robust? I'm not sure yet, but it's metal. Are the plugs sturdy or not? I'm not sure. Time will tell. So is it worth getting? I think so right now. It cost me about $75. Prices are going to vary, you know that. But in a time when capture cards are going at a premium price, if you can find them, $75? I mean, I could be wrong, but it seems like a good deal to me. Now, do this. If you want to go deeper with your live streaming, or if you want to take your live streaming setup at your house or your office to the next level, click one of these videos, and we'll see you in the next one.